Beautiful day here on the water. Lake Pleasant. It's a nice big lake, about an hour north of Phoenix. The dogs and I came. I just want to connect with nature. In these turbulent times, that's the healer. That's the healer. Go sit with a tree. Stick your feet in the water. Bury your toes in the earth. Feel a rock. All the above. You need some peace. You need some comfort. You need some healing. That's the prescription. It's the best prescription. Leave all the drugs behind. Connect in with nature. Yeah, right here on the water. It's a little inlet here from the bigger lake. It's actually a huge lake. I took a boat out on it the other day. Today we're just here to sit, chill, connect. I'm looking for some clarity, so I'll be doing some journeying. Peaceful day to all of you. Peaceful day to all of us as we build a new way forward. Join hands, unite. Let's be one. One mother, one tribe. There's no option. Be well.